Yo, what's up, YouTube? I mean, I wanted to come on here and have a chat about self-motivation and inspiration. I don't know how long you've been on my channel, how long you've been following it, but I've been doing a lot of growing lately. From just living in Detroit to leaving and living in New York, Texas, Florida, Arizona, and now I'm living overseas in the Philippines. And I just thought that perhaps I would just give you some advice, as far as like some tips on like self-motivation. And one of the main things you want to do as far as like keeping yourself hyped up to make money and get out here is don't give up on yourself. You're having a hard time with dry spell and you're just doing a whole lot of having a lot of struggle, or it's just really difficult for you. Please don't give up, man, because I've had some really tough nights, and I praise the Lord and everything like that. But when it seems like you're not being heard and it feels like you're not being it doesn't feel like it's coming fast enough, just because you might be asking for a lot, and when it finally comes, it'll be the truth. So I just want you to just know that I wouldn't be able to have views like this or be able to leave my country or get my life together if I had gave up. I would have still been in Detroit. I still would have been having difficulty. So just want y'all to please keep grinding, keep working hard, keep studying, keep trying to better yourself, keep bettering your brand and working on who you truly want to can do anything you want to do. You just have to put your mind to it. Start writing stuff down. At some point, you'll be able to get yourself where you want to be in life. So that's all I wanted to get that off my chest, and make sure I hit the like button for me, man. This algorithm thing is crazy. I can't get no views, no likes, no nothing. If you want somebody else to see this motivation or anything, just leave a comment, share it, and make sure you subscribe. All right, man. Peace.